Hey guys, I just want to tell you a little bit about that 1985 Ferrari. It's a 1985 308 GTSI QV, which I think means quattro valve. I'm not an expert on Ferraris, I just like old cars. The car is actually my friend's. The excursion is mine, and I just had to, make it seem like that excursion was super cool because it's base. It's cloth seats, two-wheel drive. In Utah, that is not ideal, but I like it because I can tow anything I want, and so me and my friends go get cars and stuff with it. We actually went and got a DeLorean with it, and that was the first car that we went and got. They're both his. I do interior, I do upholstery, I do classic cars. I don't have time. Well, I have a 73 Jeep, and I haven't had time to really work on it for about 3 years because of just other responsibilities with my business. I'm a small business owner. So the next clip is going to be just walking around the car and talking about it. We're going to have to do timing belts on it. There's some sort of a bearing or something is going bad, so we're going to have to change that bearing. My dad's an aircraft mechanic. He's licensed, and he's going to help us with that. It's an interesting engine because it's like two engines bolted together. Sorry, I got a call there, and I had to just silence it. And so it's a little more complicated than I'm used to. I know how to time an engine. I know how to work on motorcycles, stuff like that. So my dad's going to give us some help, and 60-year-olds know what they're doing. So I'll go ahead and splice that other video in here, and if you like this kind of content, I'll keep doing it. We'll talk about the interesting stuff that I have in my shop. So my buddy went ahead and detailed the car. We'll actually talk about it. It's an 85. What is it? 308 GXT?
GTSI Quattro Valvole.
Pretty sweet. It's funny because it looked really good before he did all the detail work, like from 10 feet away, but there was so much wax on it that it looked like somebody in a white car had hit it. Just streaks of wax. It's going to need a bunch of work. The upholstery needs work. The engine needs a little bit of work. But it should be, it should be a fun project, right?